Hi everyone and welcome to today's fill lesson. No cliffhanger at the beginning. The most powerful tool for playing fills is bass drum substitution. And this means we take a pattern, it can be a rudiment or any other sticking that you are familiar with and that you already can play, and we substitute the bass drum with some of the notes that are being played by our hands. And for today I chose a sticking that definitely every one of you can play, and that is the single stroke roll. Right, left, alternating singles, and we phrase them as 16th note triplets. So 6 evenly spaced notes per quarter note. 1 and a 1 and a 2 and a 2 and a 3 and a 3 and a 4 and a 4 and a 1. The first bass drum substitution will be the last note of the 6-tuplet. So we are playing right, left, kick. So let's practice this motion between snare drum and bass drum. So the left hand is following the right hand in a clockwise direction. So let's practice this orchestration motion with the metronome. So far with figure A, and to make this fill that I just played sound less repetitive and less predictable, we need a second figure which we will combine with figure A in just a moment. In figure B, the bass drum substitution will be the 4th note of the 6-tuplet. So we are playing right, kick, right, left. So let's try this between snare drum and bass drum first. My orchestration example for these 6 notes is tom 3, tom 2, tom 3, bass drum, tom 3, snare drum. So the right hand stays on the floor tom the entire time, and the left hand moves between tom 2 and snare drum back and forth in a diagonal direction. And now it's getting interesting because we're gonna combine figure A with figure B. Both have the length of 1/4 note, so we can play A or B 4 times in any order to fill an entire bar of 4/4. Combination example 1 is BA, BA. And before I'm gonna play this one, practice advice is to shift your ear to the melody of the bass drum. So let's listen to this and count this, how this sounds. 1 and a 1 and a 2 and a 2 and a 3 and a 3 and a 4 and a 4 and a 1 and a 1 and a 2 and a 2 and a 3 and a 3 and a 4 and a 4 and a 1. And now let's practice this in a groove context, 3 bars of groove followed by 1 bar of fill, and we bump up the tempo a bit. So combination example 2 is B, B, A, B. And let's listen first what the bass drum is playing. 1 and a 1 and a 2 and a 2 and a 3 and a 3 and a 4 and a 4 and a 1 and a 1 and a 2 and a 2 and a 3 and a 3 and a 4 and a 4 and a 1. And let's hear this also at a slightly faster tempo in a groove context. So that's it for today, and I hope these 2 examples could show you that for using the bass drum substitution method, you don't need a complicated sticking to make your fills sound powerful. I admit the orchestration was quite advanced today, but this is also your chance to come up with your own ideas and make this concept your own. So please let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I hope you have fun practicing this. Explore it and stay healthy everyone, and see you next time.